There you go. Good. That's the proper amount. While we wait, we pet that kitty. So warm. He's so good. Aren't you, buddy? Such a nice guy, ain't you, buddy? Oh, yes, he's such a nice guy. Look, he's so nice. Look at this thing. Is this a fan? Yeah. Like, seriously, Bengal Cats, super chill. Well, the boys are super chill. Mama, she's always looking for something to get into. Ain't that right, buddy? For a bird, right? Yeah, graceful. That was graceful, buddy. That was beautiful. I like that. Oh, Dave just wiped the counter, that's why. Sorry, buddy. You're on our way out of the downfield conditions. I'm sorry. She knows it's slippy. It's almost dry now. Bloop. Yeah. Aww. This is so cute. Coffee's done. Well, done enough.